Today is June 21st, the summer solstice in 24 solar terms. What are 24 solar terms? It is regarded as the fifth invention in China. The traditional Chinese lunar calendar divides the year into 24 solar terms. That is to say, dividing the sun's annual trajectory into 24 equal parts. Each 15 degrees is an equal part, and each equal part is a solar term. Starting from spring begins and ending with heavy snow. On this day, where the sun shines directly on the ground, reaches the northern end of the year, almost directly hitting the Tropic of Cancer. At this time, the daylight hours in the northern hemisphere are the longest of the year. The summer solstice is the turning point of the sun. After this day, it will take a turn back. The point of direct sunlight begins to move south from the Tropic of Cancer, and the daytime in the northern hemisphere will shorten day by day. So, there is a folk saying that after eating summer solstice noodles, the days get shorter. Talking of folk customs, each solar term also has its own special dietary customs and follows the philosophy that heaven and man combine into one and comfort to the four seasons. The new wheat has been harvested during the summer solstice. It has become a custom to eat noodles since then. There are many kinds of noodles in the south of China, such as Yangchun noodles, dry soup noodles, shredded pork noodles, three fresh noodles, bridge noodles, and sesame oil cold noodles, while in the northern there are breast noodles and fried noodles. My favorite food is three fresh noodles. How about you? Talking about health care during the summer solstice, taking a little nap every day after lunch, eating a light diet, and eating more bitter food like balsam pear and coriander. This food could help remove dryness and dampness, cool and relieve summer heat, and promote our appetite. Talking about taking exercise in summer solstice, it is better to exercise in the morning or early evening when it is cool. Yoga and Tai Chi will be better now, so it's time to go eat my favorite noodles. See you!